With QWERTY, the professional typist's era began. The Remington No. 2 typewriter introduced the shift key, making typing faster and more versatile. Offices filled with typists, many of them women, churning out documents at record speed. Typing contests promoted QWERTY, touch typing became the gold standard. ASDFJKL, the noisy clatter of typewriters defined office life, with the bell signaling the end of each line. These sounds and skills shaped work culture for decades. QWERTY's non-intuitive layout actually encouraged memorization and speed. The layout's quirks became its strengths, making it the industry standard, all from a design meant to keep metal arms from tangling. The computer revolution changed everything, except the keyboard. Computers don't jam, but by then, millions had mastered QWERTY. Retraining everyone was unthinkable, so the layout stayed. Early computer keyboards copied typewriters right down to the staggered keys. QWERTY became a cultural standard, not just a technical one. Even smartphones kept QWERTY for familiarity. The original reason for QWERTY vanished, but the habit remained.